everyone, it's Nathy. Welcome to our bathroom. We are a little crazy today, packing for a trip tomorrow, but I've been wanting to do this video to share what makeup I am taking on the trip. So I always overestimate how much makeup I'm actually going to wear, so I tried to downsize this time. So I'm going to start real quick with primers. I'm taking my Milani eyeshadow primer, and then the NYX Plump Right Back with Electrolytes face primer. This is brand new. I haven't used it. I've been hearing about it, so I want to test it out and see if I like it. Still got the tags holding it. I'm trying to see if it smells like anything. Holding it closed, so we will see. It smells good. It feels nice and moisturizing. So this will be a good way to test it out to see if I like it. For foundation / concealer, I'm only taking technically one product, but I'm taking 2 bottles because I am between shades. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I'm taking this one because this is mask proof, and so I'll be able to use this without having to worry about anything transferring off my face. The only downside is I do have to take 2 bottles because I'm in between the 2 shades. I don't know if there's another shade in between these that exists out there, but I haven't been able to find one, so 2 it is. For other face and eye products, I'm using the Milani All Inclusive palette. I like this one because it really downsizes how many products I take with me. It has 3 eyeshadows, a bronzer, a highlight, and 2 blushes. So everything I need to create a quick look. Then mascara, I'm taking the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Waterproof Mascara. Looks like that. I think this one is in black brown, so it'll be a little bit more natural. For brows, I'm taking the Winky Lux Unibrow, I think it's called. Yeah. And then the Essence Make Me Brow. And then I don't need this brush. And then lastly for lips, I am taking a red because you can't go wrong with red. And then I'm taking another sort of red. This is reddish pink. Throwback color, Revlon Cherries in the Snow. So I figured if I wanted to go for something that pulled a little bit more pink, I would take that. And then lastly for makeup remover, I'm just taking my Keys Soul Care Nourishing Cleansing Balm. And then I'm going to pair that with my makeup eraser. Actually, I might take the rounds from Say Beauty. They're just little rounds that are basically kind of like that. And then my sponge to apply those. And then I'm taking a few brushes. So I'm going to take these brushes. Let me put the rest away or else I'll forget what I said. But a blush brush, highlight brush, bronzer brush, and then these 3 eye brushes, which is all you need to create a look. Whoop. This will be for highlighter on the brow bone, and then flat shader brush, and then a dome brush for the crease. So that is all I'm taking out in the Beauty Blender, if I didn't mention that already. I'm really trying to minimize as much. I'm going to leave it out so I can do my makeup in the morning, and then that's all that's really going to go. So wish me luck. Usually I don't like using just one palette, so we'll see how that goes. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.